Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious jollof rice. Let's get started. And we are going to be eating this rice with some fried beef. So here I have my beef well washed. I will start now by spicing and cooking it and frying before we go into the making of the jollof rice. It is now time to make the sauce or stew for the jollof rice, and I'm using the oil I used in frying the meat and plantains. And once the oil is hot, I'll start by frying some chopped onions in it. I'll add about a teaspoon of rosemary and the thyme to infuse in more flavor into the oil. And also about 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish. I will then add some tomato paste, the one we call tin tomatoes, and fry very well. When I'm done frying the tomato paste, I'll then go in with my mixed tomato. This is a mixture of fresh tomatoes, fresh peppers, fresh ginger, and garlic, which I boiled and blended. I will add, mix and fry it for some minutes. Frying the tomatoes for some minutes, I'll then spice it again. I'm adding here a teaspoon of nutmeg. Yes, I love nutmegs in jollof rice. I'm adding some curry powder and some seasoning cubes. I will stir, cover, and allow to cook for some time before adding the rice. I'm using 4 cups of rice, which I've already parboiled and washed earlier on. After adding the rice, I add some water to the level of the rice, stir, cover, and cook. And I reserved for some stew for later use. 20 minutes, I checked the rice. It needed some more salt, so I added a little salt, some crayfish, and some of the stew I left earlier on. It also needed some water because the rice was still strong, so I added a little more water, stirred, and covered to cook again. At this time, our jollof rice is well cooked and delicious, so I garnished it with some chopped onions, stirred it, and it was ready to be served. And here we have our delicious jollof rice with our fried meat and some fried plantains. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video to your loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.